Oh, do I have a sweet experiment for you to try today. Place 8 ounces of warm water in each of the 3 glasses and add some food coloring. Use a measuring spoon and add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the first cup, 4 tablespoons of sugar to the second cup, and 8 tablespoons of sugar to the third cup. Stir them until all of the sugar is dissolved. Now carefully move small amounts of each solution into a new cup. We've made ourselves a rainbow sugar stack. Although they all have the same amount of liquid, the amount of sugar in each cup was different. The blue solution is most dense because there is more sugar added to the same amount of liquid, while the red solution is least dense because there was less sugar added to the same amount of liquid. Give this sweet experiment a try, and remember, until next time, keep learning full steam ahead.